apply the distributive property to factor out the greatest common factor. Okay, so the greatest common factor of 27 and 18 is 27 is 3 times 9, 9 is 3 times 3, so 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, and the 18 is 2 times 9, 9 is 3 times 3, so 2 times 3 times 3 is 18. What do we have in common? We have in common 3 times 3, which is 9, and the other prime factors have nothing in common, so 9 is the greatest common factor. So 9 times 27 divided by 9 is 3, 9 times 3 plus 18 divided by 9 is 2. So the factored out expression is 9 times parentheses 3 and 2. Oh, this is R, we have R here, we have to forget the R. This is 18R. Okay, 9 times 3, it's a minus, it's not plus. So it's a minus 2R, minus 2R, minus 2R. Okay, distribute to create an equivalent expression with the fewest symbols possible. So let's see. 5 times 1 minus 2g plus 4h. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 2g is 10g. And 5 times 4h plus sign is 20h. What do they mean by fewest symbols possible? Okay, I cannot simplify this any further. Okay, 5 minus 10g. 5 minus 10g plus 20h. A rectangular prism with length L, width W and height H has a volume of L times W times H. What is the volume of a prism which has a base of 5 meters by 3 meters and a height of 4 meters? Okay, so we have to multiply 5, which is the, let's say it's the length, and times 3, which is the width, times 4, which is the height. So 5 times 3 is 15, times 4 is 60. So 60 meter cubed is the volume. Use the expression 3 minus 7p squared plus 11 parentheses 4 plus n to find an example of each kind of expression. Difference. Okay, difference is subtraction. Factor this part here is a factor in this expression, and 11 times 4 plus n is a product because we have implicit multiplication sign here between the 11 and the parentheses. And this is a factor in this product. And this is the difference because we subtract 7p squared from 3. Okay. Combine the like terms to create an equivalent expression. Okay. Here we have 1 times p, because p is essentially 1 time p. So 12p plus 1p is 13p. If we combine 12 of something with 1 of something, we have 13 of that something. What happens to the value of the expression? Okay, so let me copy this to the board. What happens to the value of the expression m minus 10? M minus 10 as m decreases. Okay, so let's see it in the table. So if m is 100, so m minus 10 is 90. If m is 50, so m minus 10 is 40. If m is 12, m minus 10 is 2. So as m decreases, m minus 10 also decreases. Okay, Kamel manages her soccer team. She needs to order 4 practice jerseys for each player. There are Y players. Okay, so 4 jerseys for Y players. Okay, this is the expression for Y. 4 times Y is 4Y. How many total practice jerseys does she need to order? Write your answer as an expression. Okay, so 4Y is the expression. For Y. Use x equals 3 to identify the value of each expression. Okay, x cubed is 27 because 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. 4 cubed, 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. And 3 to the 4th power, 27, we know it's x to the third power. So 27 times 3 is 81. 20 times 3 is 60. And 7 times 3 is 21. So 3 to the 4th power is 81. Which expressions are equivalent to x plus 2y plus x plus 2? Okay, so we have here x, sorry, we have here 1x, and we have here another x. So we have 2x, and we have here 2y, and that's it, we don't have any y's anymore. And we have 2. So 2x plus 2 plus y. Two x plus 2y plus 2. Okay. Okay, so this expression is equivalent to this, because if we factor out the 2, we have 2 times x is 2x, 2 times y is 2y, and 2 times 1. Okay, so a is good. No, but this is not correct. We don't, if we factor out 2 in the parentheses, we are left with 1y, so 2 times y is y. Okay, so a is correct. Okay, evaluate 8a minus 1 plus 0.5b when a. So 8a minus 1 plus 0.5b. A equals, so we need to plug a quarter instead of a, and b equals 10. We have to plug in 10 instead of b. So 8 times 1/4 minus 1 plus 0.5 times 10. So PEMDAS is the order of operations. We don't have parentheses. We don't have exponents, but we have multiplication, and it comes before addition and subtraction. So we need to evaluate this first. 8 times 1/4. 1/4 of 8 is 2. It's like 8 divided by 4. 0.5 is 1/2. 1/2 of 10 is 5. So the expression is 2 minus 1 plus 5. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 5 is 6. So the answer is 6. Okay, we need to factor 48 minus 8x. So what is the greatest common factor of 48 and 8? It's 8. Okay, because 48 is divisible by 8. 8 and 6. Right. Okay, so when we factor out 8, we get 8 times 6 minus x. So this is the factored out expression, 8. Okay, so C is good. 8 times 6 minus x. Okay, let's see. 3 times 16. 48 and 32. Yes, 3 times 16 is 48. But 3 times 8 is 18, so A is not correct. 2 times 24 is 48. 2 times 4 is 8, so B is also good. 4 times 12 is 48, but 4 times 4 is 16, so D is not correct. Write an expression to represent the sum of 7 and the quotient of a number x and 8. Okay, so the quotient of a number x and 8 is 8x divided by 8. This is the quotient of a number x and 8. 8x divided by 8. The sum of 7 and this quotient is 7 plus this quotient. Okay. 7 plus x divided by 8. 7 plus x divided by Okay, so I've completed this unit, variables and expressions, and now I will move on to this unit, equations and inequalities introduction. And once I've watched the videos, I will do this practice. This will be in the next video. Finding mistakes in one step equations. I will see you in the next video.